rushing the project. 3 months, straight sleeping in a site trailer. Busted my ass to squeeze out for the group 1.2 billion in excess profit. And the company treats me like a disposable tool.
Like a fool they can play!
General Manager of Engineering Management Center, Lin Zongyuan. Annual management dividend, 12 million yuan.
Impressive, Mr. Lin. 3 years, straight over 10 million.
Mr. Lin knows how to run things. The group's qualification upgrades these past 2 years, strategic investments, none of it would happen without you.
It is all the board's trust. I can't do much alone.
Mr. Lin alone took 12 million in dividends. Then Shen must be taking the lion's share.
No doubt about it. 8 years, multiple major awards, made the group 1.2 billion in excess profit. Nobody can top that.
Shen Heng, Engineering Management Center. Annual special bonus, 12,000 yuan.
You are kidding me. Mr. Lin gets 12 million and Shen only gets 12 grand.
Shen busted his back for 8 years. That is less than one dinner bill for Mr. Lin.
8 years, 1.2 billion in profit.
3 golden tripod awards. And my year-end bonus
Is only 12,000.
Rushing the project 3 months straight, sleeping in a site trailer. Busted my ass to squeeze out for the group 1.2 billion in excess profit. And the company treats me like a disposable tool.
Like a fool they can play.
Performance is judged on overall management contribution, not just project excellence and profit. Some people just bury their heads in engineering, don't understand the group's big picture. The group owes nobody anything. Bonuses are paid according to policy.
The plan was set by the board.
We'll optimize it going forward. Everyone, don't bring your emotions
Into the workplace.
Over the past year, the group won 3 National Golden Tripod Awards, 8 Provincial Golden Sale Awards. Revenue and profit both hit record highs. These achievements also couldn't have happened without the cooperation of all frontline colleagues.
Some people think that project excellence is just credit for a few individuals or a few teams. That is typical, narrow-minded thinking.
Are you trying to erase Shen's contributions? Don't talk nonsense, or you'll get burned.
New fiscal year. I'll only take on the basic technical positions in the engineering department. Clock in and out on time, outside of work hours. I won't handle project issues. Absolutely no extra work on holidays or weekends.
Shen Heng! You're disregarding the company's bigger picture. You have no sense of dedication as an engineer.
Dedication is something I give willingly. It is not an excuse for you to steal credit while doing nothing.
An employee like you doesn't deserve to stay at this company.
Are you trying to fire me? You can try. Are you trying to fire me? You can try.
Shen Heng, have you lost your mind?
Humiliating me in front of all these people. The entire company tapped about him.
Hundreds of eyes watching. What are you trying to do?
Your job assignment.
Without my approval. You think you can transfer positions? Those key projects can't function without you. Let me tell you, Shen Heng, Kanglin Construction will keep running no matter who leaves.
It'll keep running without me, sure. But can it still generate 1.2 billion in profit?
You have the nerve to bring that up.
The projects were secured by the group. The resources were provided by the group. So the credit belongs to the group.
I'm the General Manager of the Engineering Management Center.
Overseeing all projects.
Me taking 12 million is only right and proper.
You're just a worker.
What exactly did you oversee?
Right.
What exactly did you oversee?
The foundation settlement at the South City CBD. I stayed on site for 72 hours straight, solving the problem.
Where were you?
You were on vacation abroad. During the typhoon at Binjiang Bridge, I was out in the rain with the workers racing against time.
Where were you then? Drinking and singing karaoke in a private hotel room.
Director Lin, watch your tone.
Shen Heng, don't push your luck. I can make sure you build at Kanglin for 8 glorious years, or I can make sure you can't work in this industry at all.
I've been in this industry for 8 years, and I got here on my skills, not on your charity.
I've already submitted my transfer request to HR.
Starting today, I only do my own job.
Shen Heng, you'll regret this. I will make your life hell.
Engineer Shen. The Haicheng Expressway project called again. They say the plan review has to be done by you.
I only handle HQ basic technical review. That is not in my scope. Tell them to follow the standard process.
But they said, if you don't go, the timeline will be pushed back a month. Engineer Shen, can you make an exception?
The timeline is the project team's concern. My job responsibilities were confirmed before the project started. There's a process chart outside the door. If they need my help, follow the process.
Engineer Shen actually left on time. He's not even working through lunch anymore. That is a first.
The guy worked his tail off for 8 years and got a 12,000 bonus.
Why should he work overtime?
New fiscal year. We're building a new benchmark team on setting new industry standards. Some people choose to coast and slack off. That is their choice. The group won't stop moving forward just because one or two people back down.
There are plenty of capable people.
New fiscal year, new team, new energy. Comrade Lu Jiming will serve as the project manager for urban renewal. I have full confidence in him.
Thank you for your trust, Director Lin. I will not let the group down, and will set new benchmark results.
See that? That is the spirit an engineer should have. Unlike some people who work a couple days and think they're heroes.
Manager Liu, this support structure plan needs to be submitted today. Diaphragm wall rock socket dip. Reinforcement cage lifting point position. Did you confirm it or not?
Confirmed, confirmed.
Didn't I already say so?
Follow the spec. The spec only sets the minimum standard. This project has unique geological conditions. We need your signature to confirm the specific parameters.
You technical folks can't even lock down the parameters.
Then what do they need me, the manager, for?
We set the parameters, but you won't sign off. When the client comes asking, who takes the heat?
Manager Liu, the mass concrete pouring temperature control plan. The client has been pushing for it several times. They're going to send an official notice to the group.
Pushing. What do they even know? Just send the plan over first.
Without your signature. I don't dare send it.
Oh, sign.
Bakangdong Construction Group. The foundation pit support plan you sent to the client. Which version was it?
The one on the desk. Why?
You signed the old version from 3 months ago. The new version was updated last month. Rebar diameter quarter bore length. All the bracing sequences were adjusted.
Then, just sign a new one. No big deal.
Slap in the new version and send it over.
The old version was already filed with the client for record. The client's technical lead just reviewed it and found it doesn't match the data from the earlier technical handover. Now they're demanding a written explanation from us.
Manager Liu, the client just sent an official notice, saying our technical management is a mess, requiring us to submit a corrective action report within 3 days.
What is wrong with you people? This data is all outdated. How are we supposed to build with this? This is ridiculous!
Mr. Wong, I'm really sorry. It was a minor issue in our internal document handover.
Right. We'll switch to the new version right away.
Please calm down.
Manager Liu, the reinforcement cage lifting point position is wrong. It is off by 1.2 meters. If we keep hoisting it like this, the rebar cage is going to fall apart.
A little off is fine.
Just get it up there first. 1.5 meters off, and it is an accident. Once it is up. Manager Liu, are you serious?
Fine. Big shot, Manager Liu. So capable. You go find yourself a crane operator who dares to do it.
What are you trying to say?
The company hired you to get the job done, not to throw a tantrum. Now, start up the machine.
I'm done. Whoever wants to lift it can lift it. We're just ordinary folks. We can't afford to pay for several lives. If something goes wrong, you'll just walk away scot-free. Who is going to support my whole family? Manager Liu, do you even know what you're doing? If you don't understand this job, then don't boss us around. My men aren't here to die.
Who are you calling clueless? Who do you think you are? Who are you talking to? I've been working in excavation pits for 15 years. What about you? Have you ever even been down in a pit?
Why would I need to go down in a pit? I'm in charge of coordinations. You do what I tell you to do. I'm out. Hey.
You'll take responsibility.
What are you going to take responsibility with? If there is a real safety incident, it is us guys on the front line who end up in jail. You'll just move somewhere else and be a manager.
Calling yourself a coordinator. You can't even read a lifting point. When Engineer Shen was here, we never had this kind of nonsense.
He is just one of Mr. Lin's favorites. Got his position by talking his way up. If something really goes down, he'll be the first one to run.
Fine. You all just wait.
The deep excavation support plan hasn't been approved yet. The mass concrete plan, you signed off on a wrong version.
The rebar cage almost caused an accident on site. The client sent 3 rectification letters in a row.
What are you trying to do?
You want me to go and beg the client on my knees for you.
Client rectification. Noted.
You want me to go and beg the client on my knees for you.
Mr. Lin, those drawings are way too complicated. My major is business administration, not civil engineering.
Now, you're telling me my major doesn't match. When you took on the project manager role, why didn't you say anything then?
I'll handle the client side. You keep things steady on site. For technical matters, have the project chief engineer sign off.
Yes, I'm on it.
Lu Jiming, the senior engineers on the project, filed a collective complaint against you. I held it off once. The core subcontractor wants to pull out. I managed to hold that down too. If you mess up again, no one can protect you. I'll say it is on you too.
Get back to work. Mr. Wang, this is Zhang Yuan. I'm really sorry. The project is going through some adjustments. We'll get back on track soon. Don't worry, I'm personally on top of it. It won't affect the schedule at all.
The reason I called everyone here today is to finalize the core technical team for the Kanglin River Crossing Hub. This project is the province's top priority. There is zero room for technical error. Vice President, the province has agreed in principle for you to be the lead contractor.
Director Sun, thank you so much. The province trusts us. We will make the River Crossing Hub a benchmark project.
Thank you for your trust, Director Sun. We'll give it our all.
Don't thank me just yet.
After comprehensive evaluation by the expert panel, the chief engineer of this project and overall technical lead must be Shen Heng.
Director Sun, Shen Heng is indeed a key technical asset at our company, but the project chief engineer needs to oversee everything. We have several other senior chief engineers.
Engineer Shen is the benchmark in the province. Besides complete construction that he developed for deep water foundations. It's currently the only mature solution in the country that has been proven through real-world application. These achievements, does anyone else in your company have them?
I'm the general manager of the Engineering Management Center. The group's upgrade to the special grade qualification was also led by me. You see.
Oh? Then let me ask you a few technical questions. The deep excavation support plan for the Kanglin River Crossing Hub. What is your take on it?
Well, our company is still evaluating it internally.
How far along is the evaluation? Which construction method are you using? Diaphragm walls or soldier piles? What is the depth of rock penetration?
Well, those technical details, I need to go back and check.
You can't even answer the most critical technical parameters. What makes you qualified to be chief engineer?
Deputy Chief, let me be clear.
The construction contract for the River Crossing Hub was awarded to Kanglin entirely because of Shen Heng's technical expertise. We will immediately reevaluate the contract. Whoever delays this project bears full responsibility. Look what you've done.
Now the chief engineer position at the River Crossing Hub. The provincial authorities have specifically named Shen Heng, and you still dared to make a fool of yourself in front of Director Sun, Deputy Chief.
I'm talking to him. Besides, if he becomes chief engineer, then from now on, the Engineering Management Center will be run by him anyway. I was just thinking, if Shen Heng doesn't take this project,
We lose our special grant qualification. The $2 billion investment goes down the drain. The entire Kanglin construction will collapse. And then you and I will both be out on the street. I'm giving you 10 days.
Shen Heng must accept.
The chief engineer position at River Crossing Hub. Whatever it takes. Beg coach, do whatever you have to.
10 days from now.
If Shen Heng doesn't give the nod, then your project management center general manager position is done.
Take a look, everyone. The Yuejiang Hub has a total investment of $14 billion. It is Jiangsu Province's #1 project in the 14th five-year plan. The technical challenges are concentrated in long span, sealed box girders, suspension bridge, wind resistance design, deep water foundation construction,
and tunnel excavation
under complex geological conditions.
Shen Heng completed 2 similar projects within 3 years, and all technical indicators surpassed industry standards. The core technical solutions he holds are currently the only proven complete construction methodology for the Yuejiang Hub in the province. Kanglin Construction landed this project entirely because of Shen Heng's technical track record. The client didn't choose Kanglin Construction. They chose him.
Mr. Dao is right. Kanglin Construction's renewal of their top-tier qualification and the $2 billion in central SOE investment all hinge on this project. If Shen Heng leaves, they lose everything.
So what we need to do isn't beat Kanglin Construction.
It is poach Shen Heng, his people, his technical solutions, his project management capability. Take it all. The joint venture rights to the Yuejiang Hub will naturally follow him.
Mr. Dao.
Shen Heng has been at Kanglin for 8 years.
Can we really poach him?
A guy who has won 3 Golden Tripod Awards gets an annual special bonus of 12,000 yuan. His wife's senior title got bumped by someone with connections. I don't believe he doesn't hold a grudge.
Mr. Dao, what terms do we lead with?
We don't start with money. We start with respect. Set up a meeting with him tomorrow. I'll go myself. A man that even Director Sun specifically asked for. I should go in person.
Within 10 days, I want Shen Heng sitting in our conference room.
Mr. Lin?
Engineer, Shen, just passing by. Thought I'd drop in.
We have something to discuss.
Let's talk inside. Standing at the door doesn't look good.
Shen Gong, the reason I came today
Is to talk to you about the Yuejiang Hub project.
What has that got to do with me?
If you take the position of chief engineer for the Yuejiang Hub, your salary will double. For the Jiangsu Pro leading construction talent application, the group will prioritize recommending you. Your performance bonus will be paid at maximum rate, with no cap. Also, this year's management dividend, I'll give you 6 million.
Is that all Director Lin? Didn't Director Lin say that without me, Shen Heng, Kanglin Construction would still be a top-tier construction enterprise? I've said it before. I'm done with the rat race. I just want to clock out on time, help my kid with homework, and have a hot meal with my wife.
Shen Heng, don't you forget, you were groomed by this group.
I haven't forgotten. That is why for these 8 years, I've paid back everything I owed.
Without Kanglin Construction, you'd still be nothing but a grunt-hauling person construction site, an intern.
I've earned the group $1.2 billion in excess profit. What I owed, I paid back long ago.
Don't push your luck!
Let me tell you,
In Jiangsu province's infrastructure. Circle. I call the shots. If you don't take this project today, don't even think of surviving in this industry.
Wait.
If you don't take this project today, don't even think about surviving in this industry.
Then go ahead and try.
Director Tao.
Director Lin.
You're a busy man. What brings you here?
What coincidence?
I'm here to visit a friend. I'm sure you know him well, Director Lin.
Shen Heng. Shen Heng.
Is there a problem?
Chief Engineer Shen's technical expertise is widely recognized in the industry. That is why Dr. Jiantu sincerely invites him to join us to lead the technical R&D for cross-river hub projects of similar scale.
What? Is Jiangtu Jiantu out of talent? That you're poaching from Kangling Construction. Don't waste your effort. Shen Heng was trained by me personally. He is not going anywhere with you.
Whether you can reach him depends on how sincere you are.
Unlike some people who show up with gifts and still can't win anyone over. Mr. Lin, I have something I'd like to say. I remember your words very well. Engineers for project are a dime a dozen. I thought myself back then, the person who said that is either stupid or arrogant. Now I see it is both.
By the way, the offer I made has one more zero than yours.
When you get back, Mr. Lin,
You can report that to Chairman Fu.
Chief Engineer Shen, I'm Dao Zekian from Jiangsu Jiantu. I texted you this afternoon.
Mr. Dao, it is quite late.
Yes, it is a bit late, but you're at work during the day, so I had to come by in the evening. It is nothing valuable, just an invitation. Take a look first. No rush.
We're not short of chief engineers.
We need someone who can take on the cross-river hub. We've looked into your track record. You don't take on key projects, not because you can't handle them, but because you don't want to be used and burned out again.
Come to Zhongtui Jiantu. You won't be required to be on site. You'll only lead core technical breakthroughs and technical oversight for key projects. Your work hours are up to you. Annual salary of $800,000. As for other terms, we can discuss after you read the invitation.
I left it at your door. Skipping the night is fine too. Tomorrow works as well.
President Dao, you came all the way here just to hand over an envelope.
If I didn't come, how would you know? CDIC is serious about this. We'll wait for you to think it over. You're welcome anytime.
Engineer Shen, the new on-site assignment from President Lin, starting this week for you. On-site presence, 7 days a week. Full-day technical briefings on weekends.
What about the on-site allowance?
It wasn't mentioned.
Overtime pay?
Not mentioned either.
Work that goes beyond the scope of the labor contract. I won't accept it.
Engineer Shen, President Lin, personally decided this.
Is President Lin above labor law now?
Engineer Shen, President Lin's notice says there is a strict audit this week of all technical proposals and drawing records across every project.
They're now reviewing all your proposals and drawings from the past 6 months. One single mistake, and you get a major demerit on your record.
Go ahead and audit.
How are they going to audit this? Everything's fully documented.
No idea.
They'll nitpick if they have to.
Did they find anything?
Useless. All of them are useless.
President Lin, the quality control department said Shen Heng's proposals really have no flaws to find. His signature records are more complete than the archive.
Then, check something else. Attendance and handover law. What time he locks up after work? There is no way he is perfect.
Attendance is clean. Handover records are all there. Locks up on time. That is company policy. No violation.
I refuse to believe it. I can't get him. I'll just appoint him directly. What is he going to do? Rebel?
President Lin, without his consent, this is...
What if he makes a scene?
Did I ask for your opinion?
That is shameless.
This is outright robbery. Engineer, Shen has turned it down 800 times already. And then someone just went ahead and forced the issue.
I hereby solemnly declare that I have never agreed to hold any position on the Yuejiang Hub project. This appointment was made without my signature and is a unilateral and invalid act. Any work arrangements beyond the scope of my contract, I categorically refuse.
Engineer Shen, what are you trying to do? They have numbers on their side. You can't fight them.
Even if I can't win, I have to fight. In here is every violation they've committed over the past 8 years. I want everyone to see what their so-called big picture really is. I'm going to the Labor Inspection Bureau. I'm going to the Labor Inspection Bureau.
Look what you've done! Look what you've done! The Labor Inspection Bureau is coming after me. Shen Heng filed a real name complaint. Now the whole province knows Kangling Construction is squeezing its engineers.
What is the Yuejiang Hub project?
It is the province's pride and joy. It is our lifeline. The state-owned enterprise S2 billion in strategic investment is about to go into due diligence. And you picked this exact moment to stir up trouble for me.
If that investment falls through,
If our license renewal falls through, I'll make sure you're blacklisted from the Jiangsu construction circle. You'll never hold your head up again.
I was just trying to force him to take the project.
You pushed him into filing a complaint.
You think you're going after Shen Hung? You're smashing the rifle of the entire Kanglin construction right now, immediately. Rescind all those damn appointments. If you dare pull any more stunts, I'll fire you first.
Shen Hung, you just wait. This isn't over.
The whole Wei Zhonghua project is ruined because of one man Shen Hung. Now the entire group is laughing at us.
Now is not the time for blame. He has had a change of heart.
He is just relying on his technical skills to hold the group hostage. To deal with people like him, you have to play hardball.
Effective immediately. Across the entire group, all technical and project staff must be on site no fewer than 28 days per MONT. Weekends are mandatory for project inspections. Phones must be on 24/7 and ready at all times.
Lin, isn't this a bit too harsh? Our frontline engineers are already working around the clock.
Deputy Chief, these are critical times. Shen Hung is setting a bad example, and it is poisoning the whole group's culture. If we don't crack down, the Weijiang Hub will never move forward. Without strict management, the Weijiang Hub project won't get anywhere.
Do it your way then. It is all for the Yuezhang Hub.
Lin Zhongwan has lost his mind. Who can handle working overtime every single day?
Tell me about it. Lin himself slips out at 5:30 every day while forcing us to pull all-nighters. He pockets millions in dividends, and we can't even get overtime pay.
Shen Hung, let's see how cocky you can stay now.
I'm heading out. See you all tomorrow.
Shen is actually walking out.
Drop it, Lin's face is already turning black.
Shen Hung, hold it right there. The new rule just took effect today, and you're the first to break it. Do you have any respect for company policy? Or for me, the general manager of the Engineering Management Center?
For the projects I handle, all technical plans are already finalized and signed off. The schedules have been distributed to every construction crew. As for when I leave work, that is my own business. Nobody gets to dictate that.
What kind of attitude is that? This is open defiance of management! I'm docking your full performance bonus this month and issuing a group-wide reprimand.
Suit yourself.
What are you all staring at? Lost your minds or what? Get back to your seats!
My work here is done. No point in sticking around. I'm off the clock.
Mine's done too. Everything that needed to be handed in has been handed in. I'm out of here too.
How dare you? Get back here, all of you! I mean, what I say, whoever dares to leave. I'll have HR fire you on the spot! This is total mutiny!
Fire me then. Working here is nothing but exhaustion. Might as well find a place where we can clock out on time.
If you've got the guts, go do all the projects yourself. All you do is throw your weight around here.
Shen Hung. The moment he left, everyone followed.
My new policy is now completely worthless. Look at what you've done!
The whole group is falling apart. I put you in charge of the projects.
Not to drive everyone away! Vice President, I was just enforcing discipline. They were way out of line. Shut down that goddamn new policy right now. Because any more trouble, and you're done as general manager.
Mr. Lin, Dao Zejin met Shen Hung at the cafe downstairs. They talked for nearly 2 hours.
Dao Zejin.
He actually dared
to poach people right under my nose.
Mr. Lin, so what do we do now? Shen Hung won't budge, no matter how you play it.
If he won't take the soft approach, then I'll hit him with the hard one.
What do you mean?
Isn't Shen Hung fearless?
Doesn't he think he is untouchable?
If he wants to leave, then don't blame me for playing rough.
To balance technical resources and sharpen core capabilities, after group-level review, it has been decided that the Eastern District Redevelopment Wrap-Up Project
And the Northern Overpass Stalled Project will be placed under the full charge of Shen Hung from the technical department.
Those 2 projects have been stalled for 2 years, lost nearly 30 million.
Whoever takes them is dead in the water.
Mr. Lin, these 2 projects, the technical difficulty is too high. No way.
Engineer Shen is technically solid. He is the only one who can crack this tough nut.
We must turn losses into profits within 6 months. Complete delivery and handover. Quality acceptance must meet provincial excellence standards. If you fail, you'll be written up for technical incompetence and given a major demerit. Permanently revoked your eligibility for the Leading Talent Program application.
I can take on both projects.
Good. You really are the group's technical backbone.
But I have conditions. During construction, the Engineering Management Center and the Administrative Department must not interfere with any of my technical decisions or construction arrangements. My work hours must not be taken up by any pointless meetings. If I manage to turn losses into profits within the specified time and meet the provincial excellence standard, the group must include 15% of the profits from both projects as a special bonus for the technical team, written into the contract.
You?
President Lin just said, I'm the only one who can crack this tough nut. Since you can't do it without me, my conditions shouldn't be too much to ask.
President Lin, just agree to him for now. The projects are such a mess anyway. There is no way he can pull it off. When he fails, the conditions become void automatically, and we can pin all the blame on him.
No problem. I agree to your terms. As long as you can deliver on the projects, everything is up to you.
Then I'll need President Lin to sign this agreement today. Send it over to the technical department after stamping it.
President Lin, both of your stalled projects and the urban renewal project have been flagged for special inspection. I've already reached out to the heads of over 20 construction companies across the province. They'll all be coming to watch. Watching isn't enough.
Go leak the word to the industry association people. Tell them Shen Hung's previous holding orders were all earned by grabbing premium projects and throwing resources at them. He has no clue how to handle stalled projects. This is the moment his true colors will show. This is the moment his true colors will show.
Mr. Wang, Shen Hung is using your project as a guinea pig. He is not managing it properly at all. If you guys stop work and make some noise, the group will definitely replace him. And when that happens, the project payments, I'll make sure you get paid first.
This time you have to fight for yourself. Put Shen Hung in his place.
Don't worry, Mr. Lin. I'll make sure he can't hold his head up in front of the whole industry.
Engineer Shen, it is not that we don't trust you. This project has been a mess for 2 years. 3 teams have come and gone.
You piece of work, Shen Hung. You're using us as guinea pigs. You never intended to do this right.
These subcontractors are all old hands, without real money on the table. Who is going to listen to some bookworm?
You're the smart one, Mr. Lin. You tipped them off in advance. Once Shen Hung is stuck today, you step in and clean up the mess. Then everyone will owe you one.
Once he screws up these 2 projects, we'll see if Diao Zexian still wants him around.
Mr. Wang, when you say guinea pig, which part exactly are you talking about?
Yeah, exactly. You big companies treat us like lab rats, changing plans left and right, holding back on payments.
So why are you here today? To solve the problem? Or to pick a fight?
Either way, I can tell you're up to no good.
I'm not holding a big meeting, and I'm not making promises. Follow me, everyone.
Come to one technical briefing. If it makes sense and it is doable, then we keep going.
For the structural reinforcement of the unfinished building, we don't need to tear down the whole wall. We just need to install carbon fiber rods at these 3 points. For the underground pipeline overhaul, we'll work in 3 sections simultaneously. Each section has a designated person in charge. No need to pull all-nighters to rush it up. It can be done in 20 days.
Foreman Lee, tell us the reinforcement steps you just went through. What is the first step?
First, test the load-bearing capacity of the wall, then drill holes and install rebar.
Engineer Shen, I'm sorry. We misjudged you. From now on, whatever you say, we'll do it. No hesitation.
Damn it. Mr. Lin actually won them over.
What are you yelling about? He just talked a good game, that is all.
Now announcing the results of this special inspection. Ranked first overall, the East City Renovation Final Phase Project and the North City Overpass Stalled Project, led by engineer Shen Hung. 2 projects turned from loss to profit within 6 months. Completed pre-acceptance 15 days ahead of schedule. Quality score 98.7 out of 100. Ranked first among all projects in the province for the same period. Cost savings rate 12.3%.
Engineer Shen, congratulations. Turning a stalled project into this? No one else in the province has done it.
Thank you. It was a team effort.
Impressive, Engineer Shen. I knew I was right about you from the start.
Mr. Lin, he actually pulled it off.
Shut up!
Ranked last overall, the Kanglin Construction Urban Renewal Project, led by Lu Jiaming. Schedule delayed by 3.5 months. Losses expanded to 32 million. Serious quality hazards identified. Officially criticized province-wide.
I heard this project is managed by Lin Zongguan's trusted guy. Lost over 30 million. Engineer Shen turned a stalled project into the best in the province. Meanwhile, Lin Zongguan and his people ran their project into the ground, dead lost.
Mr. Lee, I'm finished.
Sit up straight. Say one more word, and I'll have you out of Kanglin Construction right now.
Engineer Shen, you're amazing. Best in the province.
Those 2 stalled projects, we all said they were hopeless, but you managed to bring them back to life.
It wasn't just me. It was thanks to everyone working together.
This parameter needs to be adjusted based on the wall's actual load-bearing capacity. I'll send the full calculation sheet to the department group chat. Go through it on your end. Ask me anytime if something's unclear.
Okay. Technical department. Next week's inspection schedule. Who hasn't submitted theirs yet?
Director Chang, come over here for a second. I have an urgent meeting to arrange.
Hold on, I'm just going over the final parameters for the North Overpass with engineer Shen.
Wong, you're free now, right? On my way.
Oh man, I gotta hurry. And print out the calculation sheet. Engineer Shen said everyone's waiting on it.
Fine. Just great. All of you. Do you even have any respect for me, your general manager?
Mr. Lin, maybe we should head back first.
Let's go.
Serves him right. He used to boss everyone around with his title. Now nobody's buying his act anymore.
From now on, we'll follow engineer Shen and focus on the real technical work. No more dealing with those pointless waste of time meeting.
Let's get to work.
I refuse to accept this. Why should I lose to some bookworm who just draws blueprints?
If you won't let me have it, easy.
Then I'll take the whole Kangling construction down with me.
Send the notice right now.
Mr. Lin, send it to all the construction firms competing with us. I don't care what you write. Get them to file a joint complaint, demanding that the Weijiang project headquarters immediately halt all of Shen Heng's projects and conduct a full safety hazard inspection.
But Shen Heng's project just took first place in the province. Even the expert panel approved his construction method. No one's gonna believe it.
Are you stupid or what?
The moment the inspection team moves in, the Yuezhong Hub project's gonna get delayed.
Delay it until the $2 billion state-owned investment falls through. Then, let's see how Shen Heng keeps his job as the lead technical director.
And another thing. Call every subcontractor and material supplier right now.
Tell them Shen Heng has already signed a contract with Zhongtui Construction Investment, and he is quitting tomorrow. Kanglen Construction is about to go into bankruptcy liquidation. If they don't get their money now, they won't see a single cent later. If they don't get their money now, they won't see a single cent later.
Lin, you can't do this. If you stir things up like this, the suppliers will definitely show up and block the doors in droves. The banks will call in their loans early too. At that point, the whole group really will collapse. And we won't escape either.
Let it collapse. That is perfect.
Fu Changye wants to protect Shen Heng and Kanglen. Then I'm gonna destroy all of it.
Make them go down to hell with me.
If you pull this off, once the heat dies down, I'll take you to another company. Great. You'll still live the high life. But if you screw this up, I won't just make sure you're finished in the construction industry. I'll make your whole family's life hell.
Got it. I'll take care of it right now. Shen Heng. Let's see who gets the last laugh. Lin, it is done. The whistleblower letter and the joint complaint from the provincial construction enterprises were delivered right on time to the Weijiang project headquarters desk.
How did they react over there?
They slammed the table on the spot, said it was absolutely outrageous, and immediately set up a special inspection team. They're moving into Kanglen Construction this morning. The renewal of Kanglen's top-tier qualification has been officially put on hold.
Shen Heng. Fu Changye. You guys had this coming. Let's see how you stay smug now.
And there is more. You told me to take that job offer from Zhongtan Construction Investment and leak it to the subcontractors. I sent it out last night. Check this morning. The front gate of the group is blocked by dozens of trucks.
That is exactly the effect I wanted. The messier, the better.
But, Mr. Lin, this is blown way out of proportion. If the group really collapses, we won't get anything out of it. What is in it for us?
I don't want benefits right now.
I want revenge.
I was stepped on by Shen Heng, a bookworm who only knows how to draw blueprints. I've lost everything. What else do I have to fear?
What is there to be afraid of?
Vice President, this is bad.
The inspection team from the Yuezhang Project HQ is already on its way. The inspection team from the Yuezhang Project HQ is already on its way. The special qualification renewal is suspended. The front gate is blocked by suppliers. The bank also called, demanding early loan repayment.
Lin Zongwen, that madman. He is really going to destroy Kangling Construction.
Engineer, Shen, you can't leave.
If you go, Kanglen Construction is truly finished. I'll agree to any condition you name.
I can stay. And I can clean up all this mess right now. Calm the suppliers' protest. Handle the Yuezhang project. Regulatory inspection. But what I want is full authority to reform. From today on, the technical division, HR, and budget, all project decision-making power goes to me. Lin Zongyun must be fired. All management involved in the protest must be removed. I want every engineer who does real work to get the pay they deserve and live a decent life.
Settle the project payments. Give us back our hard-earned money. Shen Heng is about to jump ship. If we don't get paid now, we'll never see a dime later. Shen Heng, you still have the nerve to show your face. I heard you took the offer from China Tunnel Construction Investment. $2 million annual salary. And you're leaving tomorrow. you just walk away scot-free. Who are we supposed to go to for our money? You need to give us an answer today.
Everyone, let's calm down. About project payments.
Don't believe his bullshit. He took $5 million in relocation money from China Tunnel. He stopped caring about us a long time ago.
Don't go around hitting people. Engineer Shen has never rugged anyone. Those stalled projects were all saved by Engineer Shen.
I understand everyone struggles. Give me 1 hour. I'll go talk to the board of directors. In 1 hour, I will give everyone a clear answer.
Fine. We'll wait 1 hour. But if you try any tricks, we're storming in today.
A whistleblower report has been received. A comprehensive audit of the group is now underway. Effective immediately, the renewal of handling instructions. Special grade qualification is suspended. If violations are confirmed, no reapplication for 5 years.
Chairman Fu, we have a problem. The general manager of China Public Construction Investment. They're here, waiting in the VIP room. They want to discuss the transfer of the joint venture rights for the Cross River Hub.
It is over. Everything is over.
Chairman Fu, we'll get straight to the point. As long as Engineer Shen gives the nod, all the paperwork can be done in no time. The project will immediately be led by China Tunnel Construction Investment.
The province's stance is very clear. The Cross River Hub only recognizes Chief Engineer Shen.
Wherever he goes, the project goes.
The $2 billion in Central Enterprise Investment follows the project too.
These are the acceptance reports for the 2 projects I've been in charge of over the past 6 months. Provincial inspection ranking. And here's the joint thank you letter from the client. This is the job offer from Zhang Tui Yentu. Annual salary of $2 million. Relocation bonus of $5 million.
To this day, I've never taken a single extra cent from the group. And I've never signed any improper agreements. All those rumors are complete nonsense. I don't need to brag about my abilities. Look at the project results. Look at the recognition from my peers. That is enough.
These documents are more than enough to prove the accusations are false. Engineer Shen's project management model is worth learning from for every construction company in the province. This compliance investigation is now closed.
How could this?
Don't listen to him. He is just stalling for time. If he gets away, who do we go to for our money?
First, if I stay, I'll take the lead on cost and payment control for every project in the group. I guarantee all compliant construction payment will be settled on schedule. No delays, no excuses.
Second, my condition for staying is a complete overhaul of the group. Eliminate all pointless internal friction. Make sure project funds go entirely toward construction and payments. Third, if I leave, I'll still leave Kanglin Construction with a complete project settlement plan. I won't hold up payment to any single supplier.
Can you back up what you're saying?
I've been in the infrastructure industry for 8 years. Everyone knows the kind of man I am. Today, the board of directors will vote on the reform plan. The moment the results are out, I'll share them with everyone right away.
We trust Engineer Shen. We'll wait right here for the results.
I'm giving everyone 2 options. Option 1, the board passes the reform plan unanimously, giving me full authority to implement it. I stay on the spot, taking on the role of chief engineer for the Weizhong Hub. The client keeps the project. The special grade qualification renewal is secured. The $2 billion strategic investment goes through.
Option 2, the plan doesn't pass. I signed the contract with Zhang Tu Yantu on the spot. The Weizhong Hub is transitioning to a joint venture. The renewal of the top-tier qualification is completely void. The board bears all consequences on its own.
I agree.
Back then, when the Southern CBD's foundation sank, it was Shen Hung who stayed up all night holding the fort on site. Without him, the group would have been gone long ago.
I agree too. From a business standpoint, without Shen Hung, the Weizhong Hub would have fallen through, and that $2 billion investment would have been lost. The top-tier qualification wouldn't have survived either. All of us on this board would have ended up with nothing to eat.
Only by keeping Engineer Shen can we keep the team's trust. Only then does the group have a future. Even though we didn't poach him, we can still partner up. China Tunnel Construction Investment and the Tech Research Institute you're spearheading will jointly build the province's infrastructure, technology, research, and training base.
Pleasure doing business.
President Fu, please save me. I followed you for over a decade. Even without great achievements, I put in the hard work. I made multiple judgments. Please, give me one more chance.
Lin Zhongwan, you fabricated the facts, filed malicious complaints, and stirred up suppliers to cause trouble. You've caused the group irreparable damage.
On behalf of the board, I announce that effective immediately, you are terminated. The group will pursue full legal liability against you. You have the nerve to bring up your hard work. How much have you embezzled over the years? How many people have you hurt? If it weren't for Engineer Shen, we'd all have been dragged down by you.
I won't accept this.
Not yet.
Today, I want to apologize to everyone first. Over the years, in the name of so-called balance, I turned a blind eye to corruption and misconduct and broke the hearts of all the frontline workers busting their backs. I owe Engineer Shen an apology, and I owe every one of you here an apology.
Today, on behalf of the group's board, I officially announce 3 decisions. First, the personnel appointment decision. The Engineering Management Center, former General Manager Lin Zongyun, fabricated facts, filed malicious complaints, incited suppliers to cause trouble, causing irreparable financial and reputational damage to the group. Effective immediately. Termination of employment. The group has filed a report with the public security authorities. All legal liabilities will be pursued in accordance with the law, and has submitted a request to the Industry Association to place him on the permanent ban list.
Fuchungi, you can't do this to me. I've been with you for over a decade.
Former Urban Renewal Project Manager Liu Jiaming failed to meet technical competency standards, causing a project loss of 32 million. Effective immediately. Termination of employment. Never to be rehired.
Item 2. Item 2. Full implementation of Chief Engineer Shen Heng's proposed reform plan. Average performance pay for frontline engineers doubles immediately. Technical contribution weight raised to 85%. All non-construction paperwork and pointless meetings are eliminated.
From now on, no one is allowed to force engineers to work overtime. Leaving on time is only right and fair. Anyone who stands in the way will be fired on the spot.
Finally, we're staying up late every night. Writing reports. Long live Chief Engineer Shen.
Finally, I officially appoint Shen Heng as Chief Engineer of the Kanglin Weizhong Hub project, also serving as the group's head of technical operations.
All technical projects within the group and related matters are entirely under Chief Engineer Shen's authority.
I promise that every person who works hard will get the pay they deserve, will stand tall with dignity, will make it home on time to enjoy a hot meal with their family.
Chief Engineer Shen, ever since you came, we no longer have to pull all-nighters to rush the work. The specialized construction plan you design calculates every step, down to the last detail. We work on schedule, and the progress is actually much faster than before.
Chief Engineer Shen, today's safety and quality inspection, all passed.
No issues at all.
Before, just preparing for inspections took half our time. Now all inspections are consolidated into once a week. We can finally focus on the actual work.
Engineers should be spending their time on the job site, on the technical work. As long as everyone gets the job done, right? We can leave on time, go home to our wives and kids.
This province-wide key project inspection ranked first overall. Kanglin Cross River Hub projects, lead by Shen Heng. Project progress is 15% ahead of schedule. Zero safety or quality incidents. Cost savings of 8%. Won first place in the province by a landslide.
Chief Engineer Shen's project management model completely broke the vicious cycle of industry burnout. Cross River Engineering Headquarters has decided to roll out province-wide Kanglin Construction's reform experience,
so every engineer can work with dignity and live with peace of mind.
This meeting is adjourned.
Chief Engineer Shen, thank you. You saved Kanglin Construction.
It wasn't me who saved the company. It is the people who do their jobs, right? They deserve to be respected.
What's Xing? Good at school today.
Dinner's ready. We can eat as soon as we get home.
Come on, let's go home.